Swordfish is a motion design studio focusing on both user experience and marketing. We handle everything from software development to TV commercials and traditional advertising and marketing. We work with big tech companies such as Google and Sony, and then we also work with other more traditional companies such as Morton Salt. I started this company by myself, and when you're young and hungry, you need to do everything smart. We just kind of started with a Mac Mini and some direct attached storage. And after a while, we found ourselves working on really big 4K projects, a lot of red source footage, and everybody was trying to hit those files at the same time, and we realized it was time to invest in a much more robust solution. Prior to Swordfish, I owned another company, and the only solution that was able to do what I wanted it to do was the Quantum StoreNext solution. And it worked like a champ. It worked exactly as promised. Moved forward to today, and when it came time for us to buy it at Swordfish, my first intention was to buy a Quantum StoreNext SAN. And after consulting with Advanced Systems Group, it just seemed that Quantum StoreNext Pro Foundation was a good solution that would give us space to grow. As a business owner and creative director, the last thing that I want to worry about is the technical details of this fiber channel versus that fiber channel, this file system versus that file system. So having a value-added reseller like ASG, who I trust with my life, whatever they say to use is what I'm going to use, because I know that they're going to be providing me with the best solution. As a motion design studio, our needs are very different than a traditional post house. We're working on a lot of big, heavy 3D renders. What we wanted was a solution that we knew was, first of all, incredibly robust as far as redundancy and just bulletproof, so that we know that our files are safe. One of the great things about StoreNext is that it just works with all the applications we're using in our studio. So whether it's Premiere, whether it's DaVinci for color correction, Maya, Houdini, Cinema 4D, it doesn't matter. We use RV for playback, and we can just load the clips right up and they play back in real time. To play back an OpenEXR sequence where each frame is maybe 16, 20 megabytes a frame and be able to just hit play, it's something that we need. Without having the speed of the Quantum StoreNext Pro Foundation, we just can't even see these files play back in real time. We have 96 terabytes of storage right now. We could scale this up to 360 terabytes, which is more than I could ever imagine using. But when I bought my first SAN, I would have never guessed that we would need 96 terabytes. So it's a never-ending problem, and we have the solution. My business relies on data. The bits that are on those drives is all I got. If I lose those bits, I will be out of business. The Quantum StoreNext Pro Foundation is the foundation of Swordfish. The thing just works, and that's the beauty of it. You just let the thing run in the background. You never have to turn it on, you never have to turn it off. It just goes, and it creates this amazing network for you to attach to. If you're looking for a backbone to your company, there's no better solution.